Today's Sunday and I'm getting ready for church. I washed my hair during the day, but your girl was lazy. I was really lazy and I didn't moisturize my hair. So my hair is a mess. Like even how I put my scarf on is a mess. Look, hair sticking out. Yeah, but what I'm going to show you is how I moisturize my hair in the morning real quick because I'm getting ready for church. It is almost 9:30. I need to leave the house 10 o'clock. But yeah, I'm just going to show you how I quickly moisturize my hair. One thing I'm really pleased about is my hair is soft. Like, it is really soft. Look, I can easily put my fingers through my hair. I do have new growth. I can feel that. Like, I am more than 6 weeks post relaxer. I need to look it up. But yeah, my new growth is coming in nice. What I'm going to do first is spritz my hair. And this is a mixture of rose water and water. Just to hydrate my hair and loosen my hair up a little bit. My hair really feels good. Like, I'm really happy about that. But I need to stop being lazy. And also, because of me wearing my braids for way too long, I have some bald spots. So also the coming few months, I'm really focused on growing back my edges. So even me spritzing my hair feels good. Look how flowy it is. Now I'm going to part my hair in sections. That's the best way to apply any product to your hair, so that you are just able to get every hair strand. And I really love this type of comb because it really gets to my roots. So clip this side up. I always work in sections of 4. So, all right. So this is one section. Let me also detangle it. Let me show you the moisturizer that I'm going to use. I'm going to use the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Moisturizing Hair Lotion. I love this hair lotion. I didn't stop using it, but I have a few favorites, and for a reason I was really craving for this one. So I've been using this moisturizer for, I think, the past 3 months again. So yeah. Oh, I didn't see it. I didn't show you how much I took, but I will apply. And I always start at the end and work my way up. And then in sections, just make sure that the product is placed on every hair strand. All right. Then to seal, I'm using an oil mixture. Always use an oil to seal your hair. So that is what I'm doing right now. And just clip it up and move on to the next section. And this is how I moisturize my hair. So I will show you how much I use. Ooh. Ooh. I use that much. After moisturizing, I will just style my hair in a low bun. Just keep it simple. Look how good my scalp looks. Listen, make sure your scalp is clean Like, I know there is a debate on how many times you need to wash your hair, wash your scalp. I prefer to wash my scalp slash hair once a week. Let me show you the difference. So this side is moisturized. This side is still. Can you see the difference? Although this is a little bit, because of the moisturizer, it's a little bit limp. But when it dries up, it will be beautifully moisturized. But yeah, see the difference. So you can see the shine here, you can see the luster here. So yeah, my hair is happy. On this side, I'm going to use a little bit less of moisturizer. So let's say I'm only going to use this. You can see that around the section is really moisturized, but within not so much. So like this part is, yeah, it could use a little bit of moisturizer. So that's why I said always one, work in sections and really take small parts. And if you need more moisturizer, add it. So you can build it up. So if you're not sure how much moisturizer your hair needs, just start with a small amount. And if you think from, hey, my hair needs more, you can add more. Let me just do a simple bun. Oh. I need to get ready. I only have 20 minutes left. I need to leave the house around 10. So yeah, I need to fix my face, put on my clothes. So this is my routine, how I moisturize my hair. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment, let me know how you moisturize your hair. Do you moisturize your hair in the evening, or do you also moisturize your hair in the morning time? Talk to me. Let's have a chit chat and see you in the next video.